Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Casa Grande, Arizona, and I'm happy to announce that we have officially completed this project. Today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through all of the renovations we made. I'm gonna break down the cost and our projected profit on this deal. Let's go check it out. Welcome home. This is a 1,600 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And as you can tell, we completely renovated the entire property. We made sure to include all new windows, all new flooring, new baseboards. We did fresh paint. We repaired the drywall throughout the entire property. And leading into this kitchen area, we installed this massive kitchen island. This thing is about 8 feet long. It's the centerpiece for this property. In the kitchen, we went with all white shaker cabinets. We went with modern LG appliances, of course. We went with quartz countertops, and we finished it off with a brushed gold fixtures for the sink faucet, the cabinet pools, and these awesome pendant lights that we added on top of the island. I really love these pendants. I think I can just see myself hanging out here with family. Everybody's just hanging out. We're cooking a nice meal. We're all hanging out, chatting, and having a great time around this kitchen island. Over here, we installed backsplash all white just to keep it nice and clean kitchen. I think of like a chef style kitchen. This is what I think of. This property came out exactly how I imagined it. And I really, really love the way how clean this kitchen came out. Now let's check out the rest of the house. So we walked through this hallway. In here, we added all new doors throughout the entire property. So the entire property is gonna have all new door package, all new electrical switches and outlets. And of course, we had to add brand new modern lighting as well. We have 2 bedrooms here. We have bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. They're both very spacious size bedrooms. Again, all new windows. We did go with a really nice fluffy carpet in the bedrooms. I just think it's a little bit more comfortable to have carpet in the bedrooms. And check this out. This room even has its own walk-in closet. So this is kind of like a junior suite that you can use. So really cool. Bedroom number 2 is a little bit of a smaller bedroom, but still a good size. Of course, it's got a lot of closet space as well. So plenty of closet room here. And of course, all new ceiling fans and lights. Let's go check out the hallway bath. Hallway bath looks great. We went with a 12 by 24 tile. This is a Bedrosian Shandar gray tile. I really love the way it looks with the gold, the brushed gold finishes. We went with the same all white quartz countertops along with the brushed gold finishes for the towel bar, the shower hook, and the faucet here in the bathroom. So let's check out the primary suite. It's a really good size and there's plenty of closet space in here. Leading into the primary suite, you have your wonderful bathroom here. This is a 60-inch cabinet, so you got plenty of counter space here with a lot of storage space here. We have the same brushed gold vanity lights across, brushed gold vanity mirror, and of course we added all new medicine cabinets for additional storage. We have one little closet here. So this could be, you know, a potential closet to hang up some shirts. One of my favorite features of the primary suite is this awesome bathroom. We went with a really nice luxury tile here. This is a 2.5 by 8 inch Bedrosian Chloe white tile. We went all the way up to the ceiling. We went with a penny marble tile in the shower pan. And of course we went with the same brushed gold. These are Delta finishes. I really love Delta. Of course you could buy some like Amazon stuff that's a little bit cheaper, but for me, I really like Delta because it lasts a really long time. You don't have to worry about these things falling off or getting damaged. So I really love using those finishes. We have another closet over here. So let's talk about closet space. And then we have a third closet over here. So this primary bedroom has more than enough closet space for his and hers belongings. Of course, we went with the carpet, same thing, fluffy carpet throughout, all new windows, all new doors, and of course, all new ceiling fans and paint throughout the entire bedroom. All right, so right off the primary suite, it has its own private entrance to the backyard. Awesome little patio space here. In the backyard, we did not go crazy. We evened out the landscaping. We got rid of a bunch of dead plants and we added this really nice Madison Gold decorative gravel throughout. I really like this color of gravel. It's pretty inexpensive and it really fits the Arizona desert feel. So it looks like you took some time to landscape this thing, but it's also a blank slate. You know, you can move some of this. If you want to add some turf, you want to add some plants, very easy to do so. With our entry-level projects, we just don't spend too much money on the landscaping, but we like to make it look really nice and clean. Now that you've seen all the amazing repairs that we made to this property, let's break down the numbers. We purchased this property for $200,000. All of the renovations that you saw today were $50,000. We've been holding the property for about 45 days of ownership. All in, we're gonna hold the property for anywhere from 3 to 4 months. We are currently listed at $329,900. So if we're able to sell for that price point in the next month or so, we'll be able to net a $40,000 profit on this deal. Now, of course, every project has its own challenges. For this property, we initially intended it on listing it around $340,000 to $350,000. But I ended up deciding listing it at $329,900 because I started to see a little bit of softness in the marketplace in this area. I'm starting to see a lot more inventory coming up and just buyer demand is coming down. So instead of waiting on market forever and trying to hope that we get our high number, we priced it a lot more aggressive. We're getting pretty decent activity and we're pretty confident that this thing's gonna sell here in the next 30 days. Now, sometimes in business, challenges like this happen. You have to be able to pivot. But the good thing is if you bought the property at the right price and you stayed pretty close to your budget, you know, it's gonna be hard to lose on these type of deals. So for this one, like I don't have any concerns that we're gonna lose any money on this one. This one's gonna hit our numbers. I'm pretty confident that within the next 30 days, this deal will be done and we'll be able to move on to the next one. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you were able to learn something from it. If you were, please share this video with a friend, drop a like, drop a comment. I really appreciate all of you that subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you on my next video. Later.